A coffee table is a low table designed to be placed in a sitting area for convenient support of beverages, remote controls, magazines, books, especially large, illustrated coffee table books, decorative objects, and other small items. Most coffee tables are made of wood, though faux wood tables are increasingly common, or glass and metal, typically stainless steel or aluminum, and may incorporate cabinets or drawers. Hello reviewers, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you best wooden center coffee table design ideas for your inspiration. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. In Europe, the first tables specifically designed as and called coffee tables appear to have been made in Britain during the late Victorian era. According to the listing in Victorian Furniture by Simmons and Winneray, and also in the Country Life Book of English Furniture by Edward Joy, a table designed by Godwin in 1868 and made in large numbers by William Watt and Collinson and Locke as a coffee table. If this is correct, it may be one of the earliest made in Europe. Other sources, however, listed only as table, so this cannot be stated categorically. Far from being a low table, this table was about 27 inches high. Later coffee tables were designed as low tables, and this idea may have come from the Ottoman Empire, based on the tables in use in tea gardens. However, as the Anglo-Japanese style was popular in Britain throughout the 1870s and 1880s, and low tables were common in Japan, this seems to be an equally likely source for the concept of a long low table. From the late 19th century onwards, many coffee tables were subsequently made in earlier styles due to the popularity of revivalism, so it is quite possible to find Louis XVI style coffee tables or Georgian style coffee tables, but there seems to be no evidence of a table actually made as a coffee table before this time. Joseph Aronson, writing in 1938, defines a coffee table as a low wide table now used before a sofa or couch. There is no historical precedent suggesting that coffee tables were a late development in the history of furniture. With the increasing availability of television sets from the 1950s onwards, coffee tables really came into their own, since they are low enough, even with cups and glasses on them, not to obstruct the view. Advantages of wooden furniture. 1. Strength and durability. Wood is a robust and long-lasting material. It is also the perfect choice for anyone looking for longevity in their furniture. There is an innate reliability and stability to a well-made wooden desk or chair, irrespective of whether you opt for softwood, celery top pine, Pinus radiata hoop pine, or hardwood, blackwood, Australian oak. The durability of wooden furniture offers excellent value for money. A well-looked-after, solidly made furniture can maintain its value over the years, should you ever want to sell a piece. Wood's durability also ensures easy maintenance. Polishing, waxing and oiling only need to be done occasionally, and are undemanding in general. 2. Feel and look. Whether it is lighter colored wood or rich darker hues, wood can add a certain charm and dignity to any room. There is boundless potential for design innovation to bring aesthetic allure to a furniture piece when crafted by a skilled artisan. Wooden furniture helps create a sense of the natural world indoors. You may wish to foster a sense of nature in your living space if you live in a high-density apartment block in a city. The perfect way to achieve this is through wood, with the fascinating patterns of fibers and grains and its wide-ranging color spectrum. Wood brings immediate warmth to an otherwise lifeless surrounding. 3. Sustainability. Wood, when certified and responsibly sourced, is an excellent option of sustainability. Therefore, it is an ecologically sound way of furnishing a home. The only renewable building material around is wood that is responsibly sourced. Trees that are harvested for wood are replenished by new growth. Furthermore, the carbon footprint that results from the processing and the production of wood products is drastically lower than that of other building materials. Wood also has the capacity to store carbon, a thing that is crucial in the fight against climate change. Wood is also a sustainable option because it gives you the choice to buy local from the specialized artisans of your community. This gives you the opportunity to support the local economy as well as the local timber industry. 4. Versatility. Wood looks good in almost any setting, unlike any other material. Be it rustic or modern, wooden furniture can be part of any design scheme. The different species will blend together in one room or house. You might want to consider pine for the dresser and red gum or spotted gum for a large dining table. The versatility of wood extends to the outdoors as well. Furniture made of timbers can look wonderful on a veranda or in the garden when treated with oils to withstand exposure to the elements. 4. Variety. Plenty of variety is available for style and look due to the vast range of tones and colors available. And this is excluding the subtle but noticeable differences between the textures and grains of different cuts and species. There is further variety available beyond the actual material. According to what type of furniture is being constructed, every furniture maker offers a different slant on design, along with personal tastes, theirs and yours. When it comes to wooden furniture, there is little uniformity, but certainly a lot of scope to get a creative design-wise and ensure a one-of-a-kind piece. Disadvantages of wooden furniture. 1. Wood destroying pests. Wood can be destroyed by a variety of pests that are attracted to it. Some common wood-destroying pests are carpenter bees, carpenter ants, termites, powder post beetles, and wood-devouring fungi. These pests are difficult to identify and quite expensive to eradicate. They can do a great amount of damage that will be virtually invisible until it's too late to repair. 2. Moisture. Even wood that's treated to withstand moisture could become susceptible to wet rot and fungus because of moist conditions over time. The best preventive measure in this situation is to simply use a material that doesn't have this vulnerability because treating wood moisture issues is expensive. In applications where high moisture is a consideration, non-porous materials and plastics are often used. 3. Warping. Factors that can make wood warp are age, temperature and environmental humidity. Wood may warp by shrinking, swelling or twisting, depending on the conditions. This means that the choice of wood may reduce functionality in many fine calculation applications, like around window frames and in doorways, if the environmental conditions do not meet specific requirements. 4. Burning. Because wood is flammable, it is not the most ideal material to use in applications where fire safety may be a concern. What's worse is that some kinds of treated wood can emit toxic chemicals like arsenic. This can be fatal in closed spaces. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of best wooden center coffee table design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite, and why? Let us know in comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your next design from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more contents. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you have not already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and blessed.